I tend to be of the mindset that wearable pumps are expensive and I like my parts to last as long as humanly possible because I'm cheap. So I want them to last and I hand wash them. So if you're using a wearable, you tend to have an established milk supply. We're typically talking about a full-term healthy baby, so sterilization isn't necessarily needed. You do want to sterilize a pump the first time you use it though, so fresh out of the box, it does need to be sterilized. I typically recommend boiling for that. And then I asked a ton of questions when we had our meeting the other night about how you can clean this because I was really worried about the heating element and if we could accidentally damage it because the flanges they're not super expensive, but they're not dirt cheap. And was really excited to hear that you can not only boil them, but they're actually approved for a steam sterilizer, which is not common with wearable pumps. A lot of wearable pump companies tell you no to a steam sterilizer, despite moms having a love affair with their steam sterilizers. So I think moms are going to be really excited about that. And to know that it won't damage the heating element is really exciting.